A flash challenge is an exercise developed by a local agency here in Louisville called Fieldtrip. It's a fun 30-minute logo challenge that we participate in to help get our creative juices flowing, sharpen our concepting skills, and it's just a nice short break from whatever's on our task list. So how does it work? 3 elements are chosen at random: color palettes, industry, and company name. From there, the timer starts and we each have 30 minutes to come up with one logo. Thanks for tuning in. Keep up with us by giving Via a follow on social, and follow Fieldtrip on Instagram if you'd like to participate in their next Flash Challenge.